Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and preparing a 9x 9-inch pan. Grease it lightly and line the bottom with parchment for easy removal. Combine 1/2 cups graham cracker crumbs, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, and 6 tablespoons melted butter in a bowl and mix until the texture resembles wet sand. Press the crumb mix firmly into the bottom and slightly up the sides of the pan using the back of a measuring cup. Blind bake the crust for 8 minutes until set and lightly browned at the edges. For the filling, use room temperature ingredients to ensure a silky texture. Beat 16 Oz, 1 pound, cream cheese with 3/4 cup granulated sugar until fully smooth and free of lumps. Add 2 whole eggs one at a time, followed by 1/2 cup sour cream, 3 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, and 2 tsp lemon zest. Mix on low to medium speed and stop as soon as the batter is homogeneous to prevent air bubbles. Pour the filling over the warm crust, smooth the surface, and bake at 325 degrees F for 25 to 30 minutes until the edges are set and the center still has a slight jiggle. Cool to room temperature and refrigerate for at least 4 hours before topping. Prepare a simple lemon curd topping. Whisk 1/2 cup granulated sugar with 2 eggs, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, and 1 tsp lemon zest in a small saucepan. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and coats the back of a spoon, then remove from heat and stir in 4 tablespoons cold butter until smooth. Cool the curd to room temperature, then gently spread a thin layer over the chilled cheesecake and return to the fridge for 1 hour to set. Use a sharp knife warmed under hot water and wipe dry between cuts to slice the 9x 9 pan into 16 equal squares. Store refrigerated up to 4 days or freeze for up to 1 month, individually wrapped.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.